Nate MacKinnon has 1 year left on his 7-year, $44.1 million deal. So right now, the Colorado Avalanche are only paying an annual average salary of $6.3 million, which is a nice deal for the Avalanche as MacKinnon has established himself as one of the best players in the league. The rumors are that MacKinnon and his camp are looking to make the young superstar into the highest paid player in the NHL when the Avalanche come calling to re-sign him. This would mean that MacKinnon could make upward of $13 million a year in the near future.